Can you have a regular job when you're wearing dreadlocks? Hi, my name is Christell, and I'm a professional loctician, and I've been doing this work for over 26 years now. And the question, can you have a job when you're wearing dreadlocks, etc., is something that comes up over and over again a lot. I'm going to speak of this from the point of view that I'm actually born and raised in Sweden and worked most of my years in Sweden. I traveled all over the world to create dreadlocks for people, and I've had clients come to me from all over the world. I know that society's rules are different depending on where you are in the world. So maybe you have certain regulations around what kind of clothes you're supposed to wear, how you should wear your hair, are you allowed to show tattoos or not? And these regulations are different in different countries and different professions. I can only speak from my own experience. And I know in general, all over Scandinavia, you're allowed to have dreadlocks and work in almost any type of profession that exists. I have firefighters as clients. I have people that work in the post office, policemen. I have a judge, lawyers, doctors, nurses, teachers, you name it. I even have two polar scientists that are clients of mine. So I met people from every single profession that's possible. I'm not going to say that it's okay to get dreadlocks and you will get your dream job, because I do not know what your dream job is and what the regulations are in your country. But my recommendation is, if your dream is to get dreadlocks, maybe you already have a job, ask your boss. This is what I'm planning on doing with my hair. I will wear in a professional way, show photos maybe of the work that I do, because people have an idea of what dreadlocks is that maybe not be true. They think that dreadlocks looks like the people that are bums on the street, but maybe they've never seen a beautiful head of hair of dreadlocks that looks amazing. So maybe show off some photos of that. If you need inspiration, you can check the link down below and you have photos of the work that I do. That these dreadlocks are very clean, nice, etc. And if you want to find someone close to you to be able to do that kind of hair as well, I have trained loads of people, hundreds of people all over the world, so I might be able to recommend a loctician that actually can create that kind of hair for you close to you. But if you're applying for a job when you're wearing dreadlocks, it's always good if you actually make sure that they are maintained, make sure that you come off as professional, make sure that you wear professional attire so that your overall look is amazing. So the first thing that they think of maybe is not like, oh my god, who is that? What kind of weird hair they have? And you can do amazing updos with dreadlocks that will blow their minds away. So my recommendation is to style your hair in a perfect way. So just because you're getting dreadlocks does not mean that you won't be able to get a job. In general, I don't know all the rules for all over the world, and I know that the internet is global and I'm speaking English, so there will be a lot of people seeing this video. But in general, I hope that people won't judge you. The main thing still that people think is that dreadlocks are dirty, or that dreadlocks are dirty, or that you're doing drugs, or you might sell drugs. Those are the biggest misconceptions. after 26 years, I'm starting to get a little bit tired of these misconceptions, but they keep on continuing over and over and over again. So I guess we just together have to change these by showing the opposite. Please let me know in the comments down below if you already have dreadlocks. What kind of job have you had? And if there are certain regulations in certain countries, I would love to hear those so that other people that are joining in on this video maybe can get a little bit more of an understanding what the rules are in the country that they are in, that maybe I cannot speak to because I'm in another part of the world. If you have any more questions about dreadlocks, please let me know in the comments down below. I will be happy to record another video like this to share my knowledge that I've gained over all of these years working with this beautiful art. Bye for now.